a good screen recording make all the difference when we are trying to do online teaching, or we are trying to record video presentations or PowerPoint presentations that we want to share with our students, right? So Loom is, as I've said, screen recording, and they have recently announced that they will be giving it for free to schools, educators, and students. That is, if you have a school account or school email that ends in at edu.ph. But if you don't have, you don't have to worry, because Loom is still free, and you can still use it. It's just that there's a limit of like 5 minutes maximum recording time, compared to before, because I was using Loom before, and there was no limit for screen recording. But now, starting when COVID came in, they started to change their policies, and they are only limiting the recording to up to 5 minutes only. So let's go ahead and check how we will be able to get Loom. So there are two ways to get Loom. One is to get it from the Chrome web store, or second is to get it, or to just search it in the Google search bar. Okay, so I have it prepared for you. Here is the Chrome web store. So you just have to type that here in the search bar. So you open your internet browser and you type the Chrome web store, and then you just search the application here, which is Loom. Right, so when you get that Loom, here it is. You can download it as an application or desktop application, or you can also add it as an extension. So in my case, I added it as an extension, and I also added it as a desktop application. So if you will notice here, I'll just remove myself here. So if you will notice, these are the extensions. This portion here are called the extensions, Chrome extensions. So this one is Loom. You can just click it to be able to start recording. Okay, so once you have downloaded that and added it as an extension, you will see it here. You will also be able to see it here. So let's go ahead and try to use Loom. Since I already have Loom, we can just go ahead and double click Loom here. So you will see it's loading. And okay, so when you double click this extension, you will see this screen, and you will also notice that my face is here, and you also have the control here. You start recording, there's the timer, you can stop it. There are three ways to use Loom. You can record the camera only, so that will be just your face. Screen only, which is this, but since my email address has a picture, so it will show the picture. Or you can do screen and camera. So if it's screen and camera, it's not allowing me to use the screen and camera because I am already using a different screen recorder, which has already using the camera. So let me just remove that first. Okay, so I removed the picture or the camera from the other screen recording, and I'm going to use screen and camera for Loom. Oh, it's still not allowing me because there are two already being used. So anyway, so screen only or screen and camera, you can also go to show advanced options. For show advanced option, you can use photo for screen only, or you can also remove that. So you just tick that option here, so nawala na imong naong diri. You can also hide the control menu, so you just turn that off. It's already hidden. So but for me, I usually show my picture. I want to show myself here, and I also want to to see for this tutorial purposes only, I want to show these. But when I do my lessons, just the screen, no, there is no picture here. So once you have chosen your options, you can go ahead and click on start recording. So when you go ahead and start recording, it will ask you which screen you are going to use, your entire screen, your application window, or just the brief tab. But for a suggestion, you choose the entire screen, and then you just click on share. So once you click share, you will see a countdown here, and then it's already starting to record. So I'll just pause that one, and I don't want this to be shown on my screen, so I can just click on hide, right? So I am going to resume. Don't click this one, because you are going to click this one when you are finished recording. You just have to resume. Okay, so just click resume, and then you are now be able to record your screen. So you have say I prepared a PowerPoint presentation. So there's a PowerPoint presentation, and you just go ahead and discuss. So I can pause, I can unpause, and that's already recording. These are the samples of the presentations that I created and I posted in YouTube. So once you're done recording, you just have to click this finish recording. So finish recording. The good thing about Loom is that when you finish recording, it is going to direct you to your Loom account, because when you download Loom, you will create your account. Okay, and the good thing also is that you can rename this video. So this is Loom tutorial. Okay, so I have already renamed it, and I will have here the options to add password, custom access, copy the link so I can share. So I can copy the link and I can share it to my students. I can add password, I can custom access, but adding a password will not allow you to post this in other video platforms. So I suggest that you just don't have to add password. Okay, so here you can already preview. It's already starting to record. So I'll just click resume, and then alright, so you're already able to preview. You can preview your recording. So I prepared a PowerPoint presentation. So there's a PowerPoint presentation, and you just go ahead and discuss. So I can pause. Okay, so there. Another option, or another what you call that, pwede nimong himuon through Loom is you can actually trim. You can trim it. You can delete portion of your recording by just clicking the trim. Okay, so when you click trim, you are going to notice that there is an option ready here to start trimming. So you click start trimming, you will see the red murag a note diri. You can move it to where you want to delete. So let's say, for example, the first 1 second of your recording. Yan. First 1 second of your recording you want to delete, so you just click on remove. Now if you want to remove other parts of your recording, usually I don't pause manggod when I record, and I just delete it. I'll just take note of the minutes where I want it. I need to cut. So let's say, for example, I want to cut because this is 39. So let's say I am going to remove this part here, in the middle part, where I namali ko sa recording. So choose lang na ko na, and then I click remove. So once I'm done, I'm satisfied with it, I'll just go ahead and click publish changes. So when you click publish changes, then it will do its thing. It will remove those part of the video that you don't want to be shown, right? So it depends on the speed of your internet. So it usually just take a few seconds to remove, and once it's removed, you can
Starting to record.
review
So I'll
it
just
again.
refresh.
So this time you will be able to already share it. So you just click on copy your link. Again, you can add password, you can custom access, but I don't unless it's what do you call that, sensitive information, so you can add password. But since this is a lesson for our students, so we don't have to put the password. What I do is I download. So there's an option here to download this one. So you just click download. You just wait for it to process, and then Loom tutorial, and I'll save it. So the reason why I save it, it's because especially if you're using the free version of Loom, you will have a limited storage. So it would be best if you are going to just download it to your computer, so you can have a permanent copy, and then you delete it from your account, so that dili siya dali mapuno ang imong account, right? So once that's done, you can already share it. You can upload it to your, I have a YouTube account. I also upload it to my upload it to the Google Classroom. I also upload it here, and also a Facebook group, because I have a Facebook group for my students. So dito na ako na siya gina-upload. The good thing is you will be notified if someone watch your recording. So let's say for example this one, I deleted already all the notification, but you will be notified. Let's say for example, Sheila watch your video, something like that. What else do we have? Oh, another good thing about Loom is that the audio is clear. Dili kinahanglan mo gamit og external microphone. Ang pag-capture niya sa imong audio, the bad thing is makapture po niya imong background, unless you are using other application that minimizes background noise. But really, I like the audio output of Loom, because kuan gid siya clear ang imong tingog, kusog siya. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all you have to know about Loom. And if you have questions, you can feel free to ask, so I will be able to answer all your questions. That's it. Have a good day.